UCS offers are here and results are just around the corner. If you are heading for university this year, there's something that no one tells you. The real scramble is not your course, it's your accommodation. In next few weeks, students will be racing to book their rooms and prices will start to climb fast. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unstoppable Ray. Today I will walk you through exactly what to do from UCS to move-in date, how to beat the rush and make sure you get the best place before the September rush hits. Oh, and I have got a free UCI to Uni PDF checklist for you at the end so you don't miss a step. So let's start the video. UCS is the UK's Central University Application System. The cycle. Offer goes out and the result date comes. That is the most hectic day for housing. Then the third one is clearing period. More university sports open, but housing get more tighter. And the gap between university's result and move-in date is very less, resulting housing demand goes through the roof. When the result season hits, accommodation prices are bound to rise and best rooms disappears. That's where Amber Student comes in. They are compare verified rooms near your uni, filter by budget, room time and distance, book entirely online with guided support, and it's not only available in UK, it's available in Canada, Australia and many more. Whether you have secured your place in uni or not, securing your place now will mean peace of mind later. Go check my link in the description below and secure your accommodation with Amber Student. Now let's move on to what to do between UCS to move-in date. First of all, sort out your finance, your bank statement, student loan. Then pack smartly. For that I have already made a video, but you just need to buy essentials. Do not buy any bulky things, just buy once you are here. Join student communities on WhatsApp or Facebook. Plan your travel. Book everything way ahead to avoid price hikes. Then the fifth one is accommodation prep. Check your check-in details and also make sure that you have got all the documents. And if you are doing through Amber Students, it's gonna be very easy for you because of their guided support. Now let's talk about why to book early. When result day comes, that means instant demand spike. Higher prices plus fewer options. Booking now will means cheaper rent, better location and stress-free September. UK result season is here, so do not wait till last minute. I would say the accommodation is the most important thing and is the most stressful thing. So make sure you have booked it before coming here. That would be best. Now for you guys, I have made free UCAS to move-in date checklist so that you do not miss a step and you do not have any stress of missing out anything. So make sure to comment down below for free checklist. Comment down below UCAS PDF and I will share with you my PDF that I have made specially for you guys. And I really hope you like this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.